In the heart of a dense jungle, a young boy named Timmy found himself lost and alone. As he navigated through the towering trees, his wide eyes mirrored the uncertainty of his surroundings. Unbeknownst to him, a curious lion named Leo observed from the shadows. As Timmy stumbled deeper into the jungle, Leo's curiosity transformed into concern. Sensing the boy's vulnerability, Leo decided to approach him, his majestic mane concealing a gentle demeanor. Instead of an attack, Leo nudged Timmy gently, as if guiding him through the labyrinth of greenery. In a surprising turn of events, Leo became Timmy's unexpected ally. The jungle, once a place of fear, transformed into a playground where a boy and a lion forged an unlikely friendship. They raced through the foliage, shared the shade of ancient trees, and laughed under the clear sky. Timmy's adventure took an unexpected twist when they encountered a mischievous monkey gang. Leo, using his regal presence, negotiated a truce,